these ideas into our chair exercise. Always let's remember the basic exercise around the chair. One step of each value. Forward, side, backward, side. Again, forward, side, backward, side. One more. Always your torso towards the center of the chair. And now on the opposite direction. Forward, side, backward, side. One more time. Now I am starting the sequence in the forward step. It could start in the side step. It could start in the backward step. But then the order continues. After the backward step comes the side step, and then the forward step. That's if we work with this kind of plain going around the chair exercise. What you can vary is in which step you start, the forward, the side, or the backward. With the sequence that we are working, let's start with the side. And the next step will be backward. So there are two kinds of side steps. The side step after the forward before the backward, and the side step after the backward before the forward. So this one is the one before the backward step. We will go backward. Backward 8 is a double backward 8. So one more time, and here we will exit into the side step. And here another backward 8 comes. But here we are going to work the sentada, which is to cross and exit forward again with the same foot. And then here to the side, it will come almost a backward 8, but this is a voleo, where we go forward, here a forward 8, but the leader places his foot here, we have to go over, and the gancho. And then side step, another sacada, backward 8, and here let's slow down, a slow change of direction, and here we will work an idea that Miranda will describe more, that is the reverse 8. That finish in front of the leader in that cross. Let's go again to the beginning. Side, de salida, backward 8. Is a double backward 8. So one more time, and now side. Here is the sacada. Backward 8 that finishes into the sentada. Another sacada in the side, voleo. The foot of the leader is here. We go over, gancho. Sacada again into a backward 8 and a slow change of direction. Here we will go the corrida, we will do it. This chair doesn't want to do the corrida, so let's leave it here. Into the inverse 8 and the closing. One more time. Salida into the backward 8, and now sacada into a backward 8 that finishes into the sentada, that cross. And now another sacada that takes us to voleo, forward 8 with a stop, going over, gancho. Side step, another sacada, backward 8, a slow change of direction into inverse 8.
when I do the bolio, if it's a bolio on the floor or in the air, I still have the idea that my big toe is in the floor all the time. So if it's actually touching the floor, it's in the floor. And if it goes up, it still keeps the same direction. My weight goes on the left foot and I bring the right foot right away. It's the same sensation as we have when we do the embellishment in the slow change of direction, that I change weight and I bring my free leg. I move over and I pivot on the standing foot and I move my left leg over. Pivot on the left, moving the right, and finish with a cross. So in the ordinary arches, it is the leg that is towards your partner that is taking the step, but here is the leg that is away from the partner. So once more. So I transfer to the left and bring the right foot. Bring my axis over to the right and bring the left.